Hi everyone, we are going to create a playlist for how we can create a custom application, and we will be building this custom application over the next course of few days. And the custom application that we have picked for this purpose is NeedIt application, and this NeedIt application is already available in developer side of a ServiceNow, and we are going to use the same application for our custom application creation as well. Before creating any custom application, there will be a few of the important things before starting the development activity. And these three major steps needs to be spent a lot of time on them and plan on these modules in a detailed manner so that it will really help us in developing any custom application. Those three modules will be business logic. In the business logic, we are tackling the problem statements. The problem statements will be which items that we are going to automate and how we are going to track the request or the tasks, and who will be the end users for us, how we are going to serve it. These entire how to automate, how to track the request and the task, this will come into business logic. And the user interface, there are multiple interfaces that ServiceNow provides it, and one of the interface will be the platform itself, and the second one is ServiceNow can be accessible in mobiles at the same time, and rich interfaces like portal. So before we are developing an application, we should be having an idea the audiences and the interfaces that they will be comfortable in. For example, desktop or the mobile, or the self-service service portal, which interface they are going to use this custom application will be very crucial for us. Then the data model. In the data model, we are going to have the logical relationships of the different types of data that are coming into the system, and each of the data will be managed inside a custom application, and we should be having the clear RDBMS style data structure for any application. So in the current scenario, we are discussing a NeedIt application. Why we are doing this NeedIt application? Because in this organization there are three major modules called human resources, facilities, and legal departments, and these three departments are serving the end users in a way of mail trackings over the mails and the spreadsheets, and this will be becoming very tough when they have multiple requests are coming in the same day, and at the same time end users are in a dilemma, or they are in a black spot or block spot where they are not able to track their statuses on their request. So by creating a custom application in ServiceNow and automating these processes, we are trying to enhance the customer experience by creating a record for them and attaching an SLA and to the request, and also end users can track their progress of the requests. And right now we have a schema that is being created for the NeedIt application on a high level, and the NeedIt is a table name, and it will be having majorly 4 different columns. One is request type. In this request type, we will be giving an option to the end user which department they are requesting this. For example, human resource or facilities, or the legal department. Then in the what needed, based on the option that is based on the request type, what needed is also dropped down. These values will be updated based on the request type. Then when needed, by when they would like to fulfill or they would like to get this request to be completed. And this table will have a relationship with the user table in ServiceNow, and we are going to extend a task table in the NeedIt application. By extending this task table to the NeedIt application, all the functionality of task table will be available in NeedIt application as well, and the columns that are available in task table, also available in NeedIt application, so that by using this extending another table, we are repurposing or reusing the functionality of the table that we are extending it.